Top 8 tips to prevent acid reflux. Number 1. Have your last meal of the day 3 hours before bedtime. Number 2. Have smaller meals instead of large meals with fluids. Don't skip meals or give large gaps between meals. Number 3. Avoid lying down immediately after having food. Duration of 3 hours after food is called the period of greatest reflux. Be upright and walk for some time after your last meal. Number 4. Don't consume acidic food. These foods have low pH, which means they are acidic. Avoid lemons, grapes, blueberries, pineapples, oranges, peaches, tomatoes. Number 5. Avoid foods which precipitate reflux. Avoid fatty food, fried food, chocolates, peppermint, alcohol. Number 6. Elevate the head and side of the bed. It's important in patients with nocturnal symptoms which wakes them up from sleep due to reflux, or they may be having choking symptoms. Number 7. Lose weight. Try losing weight and avoid tight-fitting clothes which aggravate the reflux. Number 8. Get your medications checked with your doctor. Medicines can sometimes cause reflux. Get them checked with your doctor. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.